Oh, there's little bird. Hi, little bird. Hi, little bird. Hi there, little bird. Hi, little bird. Oh, what a little bird. Hi, little bird. You want to go out? Say you want to go out. Say, little bird want to go out? Hi, little bird. Oh, there's Charlie. Charlie, what are you doing? What are you doing, Charlie? No, no. Oh, there's Charlie. What do you want? There's Sally. Hi, Sally. Hi, Sally. How you doing, Sally? Hey. Hey, little bird. How you doing? What you doing? Oh, that little bird. All right. Where's Peach? There's Peach. Hi, Peach. Hi, Peach. How you doing? Hi, Peach. Hi, Peach. Oh, there's Peach. There's Peach Pie. Oh, there's Peach Pie. Say, do that again. Do it again. Do it again. That's good. What do you want, little bird? You following? Oh, you want out, don't you? That little bird wants out. Izzy wants out. Huh? You can't go out right now. Not yet. All right, Sally. I know, you want to go out too, huh? Yeah. Hey, little bird. Hi, little bird. Coming out? Hi, little bird. Aw. Oh, don't chase Peach. That's not nice, little bird. Poor Peach, you okay? Okay, Peach? Hey, Robin. Well, you guys are not nice. Huh? Picking on everybody. Hey, Tom Tom. It's okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Well, let's go see LT. He's still in bed. LT's still in bed. Look at you. Why'd you get out of bed? Huh? LT, get out of bed. What you doing? Come on down. Come on, LT. Come on. All right. Say bye-bye. No, no, no. Don't chase the chickens, little bird. Jeez. Don't chase the turkey. Oh, you're a bad bird. Okay, everybody say goodbye.